Best interior ideas that make your room look peaceful in daytime. Lighting is the most ideal method of making a space serene and appealing for individuals living in. This is the reason around evening time the houses are the best place to rest. Besides, with the climate, there are a great deal of components that can be added to make the climate more agreeable for the individuals. In this article, we are talking about the best thoughts that will improve your solace in your room. All the thoughts are anything but difficult to be executed, and you can innovatively add them to make an ideal inside of your room. After this, your mornings will be the best and ideal opportunity to have tranquility and solace. There are numerous things which impact the room environment in any case. If you are keen on rearrangement, then don't begin with costly roof tiles, however think about little things. 1. A comfy mattress. In a room, the best and most significant thing is the bed. On the off chance that you don't have an agreeable bed, at that point you probably won't care to have tranquility in your room. This is the reason the best thing to begin the redesigning is having an agreeable sleeping cushion for your bed, and appreciate laying on it in the mornings. 2. Shades of your choice. After the bedding you picked, the following thing is adding the tones that you love. A few people like splendid tones and some like dull tones. Attempt to purchase the bed sheets in the shadings that make you serene. In addition, you can add all the components in your life with a similar shading and make your preferred most appropriate climate. 3. Casings and pictures. The other best thing to make a tranquil climate is the expansion of edges, that is painting or photos of your decision. You can balance your best critical minutes as pictures and satisfy yourself all the time observing it. Also, you can add mitigating compositions that have all the serene tones and plans. Pictures of excellent scenes is likewise a pleasant alternative. Pictures of delightful scenes is additionally a pleasant choice. You should make a mix of edges that you like and hold tight the room's dividers. 4. Delicate pillows. With the sleeping pad, the main thing that adds to your solace is a pad. A delicate and agreeable pad makes you serene while lying on your bed. You can add various cushions over your bed to establish an agreeable climate for yourself. 5. Windows adjustment. In mornings, most of the light in your room is dissipated by a window. You don't need to illuminate your life with bulbs, as characteristic light will upgrade your room without any problem. Accordingly, you can change the measure of light you need in your space for a tranquil climate. A few people like faint lights and some like splendid lights. Consequently, through sliding the window ornament you will change the lighting in your room. Conclusion: if you are searching for a quiet inside in your home at the sunshine, then by adding all the previously mentioned components, you will make the best space for yourself. Other than the 5 referenced variables, you can extemporize your room by adding components that you love,